Hey guys, this is going to be another declutter, so yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. This is like my glitters, pigments, liquid eyeshadows, liners, all that kind of stuff. Depending on how we get through this video and how this video goes, I might do something else in this video depending on how long. So yeah, we're just going to get started. The first thing that I have up here are all of my Beauty Creations glitters, and all of those ones are going to stay. I do use them quite regularly when I need glitters. Glitter obviously isn't something that I'm going to use every single day, but they do come in handy, so yeah, I'll keep those. Okay, so here we have two BH Cosmetics glitters. We have Baby Pink and Sapphire. I am going to get rid of both of these. I just do not really reach for these two. If I am going to go for glitter, I'll go for something from my Beauty Creations. So these two I will be getting rid of. These are by Smaller Cosmetics, and these ones are so beautiful, but they are discontinued and you cannot get them anymore. I think the only one that I'm going to keep is Ice Princess, just because it is a bit of a unique shade. Judging by the glitters back here, I don't really have like a solid white glitter, so I am going to keep that one, but I do have another red and another purple, so those two can go. These are my Be Perfect Cosmetics pigments, and I do really like these. I've also got another one. Oh, actually, you know what? That's like a white shade there, so never mind. I will get rid of that one, that's fine. Okay. So yeah, I have like a white one, a pink one, and then there's also a green one that I still need to try out for the first time, but those can stay. Then coming down here, I have a glitter from Colourpop. This is the Flying Squirrel loose glitter, and then we also have a pigment, and this one is in the shade The Scales. So I'll put the glitter there. I'm aiming to keep my glitters together and my pigments together. So yeah. Okay. These are the Australis Metallics shadows, and I do quite like these, but I just have not reached for these in so long. I feel like if there's something in here not being used now, I should probably just go ahead and get rid of them. Okay, yeah, so I have three shades. They're so beautiful and I do really like these. We have Pearl Jammin', Guns and Rose Petals, and Amy Whitehouse, but yeah, I just don't reach for them, so they can go. Down here are my MAC pigments, and I really love all of these. I do use these quite a bit. We have Melon, Grape and Teal, so all of those can stay. Then I also have my mini ones. I have, don't know how to say this one, it's like Kitschmas or something, and then we have Rose and Copper Sparkle, so they can go there. I'll reorganise it at the end. Okay. Next we have two loose shadows, or like single shadows from Focalia. I just do not reach for single shadows, and that's just, you know, just a fact. We have D12 and we also have M08 Tiger Eye. I'm just not going to reach for these. These were sent to me as PR and I'm so grateful, but yeah, I feel like I'm doing them a dishonour by keeping them. I should give them to someone who is actually going to reach for them. So. Down here are my Morphe Jelly Eye Shimmers, and I actually do really like these. I have three shades, so I will be keeping all of those. This is a Australis Shimmer Pigment Pot. I just don't reach for this one either. Once again, it's such a beautiful shade, but I just don't reach for it, so I just need to be honest with myself. This is the Makeup Addiction Pigment in Peacock. I love this. This is such a stunning, unique shade. Oh, so I'll keep that one. Then I have all of my Napoleon Purtis Loose Dusts. I have 6, so I'm actually going to look at the shades and see what ones can go. I feel like that one can go. I don't think I've reached for that like the whole time I've had it. This one is the shade 17, and this one is like, yeah, I just don't think I'm going to reach for that either. That one is the shade 13. We have shade 20. That is beautiful. I don't know, like, I feel like I just don't don't really reach for these anymore, if I'm being honest. And this shade is quite similar to this Colourpop one, kind of. So I can probably get rid of that one as well. I actually do really like the formula of these, but they are quite old and I just don't think I really reach for them anymore. This is shade 21. If I was going to keep on, it would probably be that one because it's just white. But once again, like, I have that Be Perfect one now, so I probably just don't really need these anymore. We also have 9. Looks like that. It's like a kind of melony shade. Like, it is beautiful, but I just don't really reach for them, if I'm being honest. And then this one is called 15. And yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of all of them, honestly. I just don't really reach for them. So the next, another thing I have here is the LA Splash Crystallized Glitter. This one is in the shade Adios MF. I think I will keep it because I feel like I don't really have a shade like that, so that could probably stay. Down here I have all of my BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzlers, and then I also have my Colourpop Jelly Matte Shadows. I really like all of these and I use all of these, so I'll be keeping those. This is the LA Splash Till Midnight Elixir Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to get rid of that because that is quite old and I just don't use it. My Makeup Revolution Glitter Glue, I think I'm going to get rid of that too. I do really like this, but it's just really old as well, so get rid of that too. These are all from Festival Face, and I do really like these glitters. I don't use them too much because they are quite chunky, but they're really good for, like, on the face looks, if you know what I mean. This one was just a random sample that I got sent from, I don't even know where I got this from, so I might actually get rid of that just because I don't know where it came from. Like, I know I got sent it, like, for free in a parcel, but yeah, I don't really reach for it. So. Alright, so I'll reorganise this in a second, but for now we'll move over to this side. We'll start with all of my liquid eyeshadows, which I don't think any of these, yeah, none of these are going to go. These are all of my P. Louise bases. You can see that I have quite a few, but I would like to maybe organise them a bit better so that I can see them a bit more, so maybe that's something I'll do soon. Down here I have a Kimchi Diamond Shard in the shade Striker Pose. That's quite new, so that can stay. I have a big Steeler Glitter and Glow in Sunset Cove, which can stay. And this is the Too Faced Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Guava Glitz, but it's got like this really weird green colour, and I just don't know if that's like the undertone of it or if it's actually like molly. It smells fine, but I'm going to get rid of it anyway because I don't reach for it. These are all of my BH Cosmetics highlights, and I think I do quite like all of these, so I feel like all of those can stay. And the same with my Steeler Shimmer and Glows. These ones dry up, like the Steeler Glitter and Glows dry up heaps quicker than the shimmer ones do. I feel like because these ones are a bit more liquidy maybe, but yeah. All of those can stay as well. But what I will do is I'm going to go through all of my Steeler Glitter and Glows and get rid of any that are dry up. So I'll take them all out and have a look. Alright. Okay, this is Embellish. That looks good. That can stay. Then we have Follow the Sun. That looks good, that can stay as well. We have Diamond Dust. I feel like this one's, yep, that's crusty as anything, so that one can go. That's going to go on my empties load because I feel like I used it. Then we have Kitten Karma. I feel like that's still good, so that can stay. We have Burnished Sienna. Good. And then we have Dolish. That's so beautiful. Yep, all of those can stay. This is Stylish. I feel like that one's, yeah, I don't know actually, I can't tell. I'm gonna say that's dried because I just cannot really get anything out of it. So that can go. Then we have Plum On, which I'm actually going to declutter because that does not look like a shade I would use. This is Smoky Storm, which I feel like I'm more likely to use that one, so I might keep that. And then the last one we have is Sunset Fire, which looks good. Okay, so that can go up there. Okay, onto eyeliners. So I might just grab them all out and then we'll go through them. So first I have my Benefit Roller Liner, the brown one. I love that, that can stay. This is the Colourpop BFF liquid liner, love it. This is the NYX liquid liner. This is the one that I use as a brush if I ever have to do liner, you know, something else. These are two more of the Colourpop BFF liquid liners. I have a white one and a red one, so they can stay. Tarte Kitten. I love this, but I don't know if it's dried up now. Oh no, that still looks good. Okay, that can stay. Oh, my NYX one. This was like my all-time favorite, but I'm pretty sure it was like on its way out. Yeah. I might just put that in my empties as well. I feel like it's, you know, it's on its way out, so. This is the BH Cosmetics liquid liner. I'm gonna declutter it because it's just too thick, so. Oh, the Focalia one, I loved this one so much. It's such a good liquid liner. I don't really reach for it anymore though. I might declutter it. I just need to be, you know, honest with myself. This is the Stila Slay All Day one. Yeah, that can go. The Anastasia liquid liner I love. The Chi Chi one can go. And then I have my Fenty and my Benefit and Too Faced, which I love all of those, so they can all stay. I just wish, like, there was a better way for all of these to fit, because it annoys me that they don't all fit in here. But actually, oh, I'm a genius. That is the smartest thing I've ever thought of. Now they all fit, like, perfectly. I'll do them in, like, hyperwear, I guess. Cool. Okay, that looks so much better. These are my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. I love all of these. These can all stay. I will declutter the... Ooh. I might declutter both of these because I just have not reached for either of them. This is the LA Splash Luminous. It has a liquid liner on one end and a like glitter liner on the other end. The glitter liner is called Trickery, but I've just not reached for either of these. I feel like, you know, I'm just never going to use either of them. This is the Chi Chi glitter liner in Mermaid. And it's such a stunning colour, but I just don't reach for them. So, yeah, they can go. And then the last thing is my Sava, or I don't know how to say it, but my Hydra liners. And I do really like all of those, so they can stay. Okay, so now I'm just going to give it a quick reorganise. Oh, actually, sorry. I forgot about these. These are the Urban Decay Razor Sharp liquid eyeliners. I have Space Cowboy and Fireball, and I was so disappointed with these. They were just really not pigmented enough. And they were like, they're like water, like not razor sharp at all, like so yeah, both of those can go. Literally the formula is just way too liquidy, so. Okay, now I'm just gonna reorganize. Okay, done. So I feel like I did a really good job. Like I got rid of a lot of stuff. So this is everything up here that I'm decluttering. So I feel like I did a good job, you know, like I feel like I really weeded out the stuff that I just haven't used for ages, which is good. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty proud, pretty happy with how it's all going. So I'll just show you like my kind of thought process here. I have like all the glitters at the back, then we move on to, oh actually, these two, hang on. So I have all my glitters at the back, then we have like liquid or like jelly shadows. So this is like my Jelly Much, and then my Morphe Jelly Shimmers. Then we have the pigments, the Diamond Dazzlers are down here because they're too big to fit anywhere else. Then over this side I have like my glitters, so I have like my glitter liners and then my Stila Glitter and Glows, and these P. Louise ones are like, they're called Prime and Defined and they've got little glitters in them. Then I have my two ones that are too big to fit anywhere else. Then I have like my more shimmery products like Shimmer and Glows and the BH Eye Lights. Then we have my P. Louise bases and liners. So that is that video done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!